Hello, welcome back to Teen Sous Chefs. This short introduction is just to say this is a shorter video than usual because a lot of our footage actually got lost. But this month we are making a picnic. So you'll see the Teen Sous Chefs members starting to make our homemade lemonade and then some snapshots of the finished picnic. And there will be more about what all we made and ate down in the description below. If you're interested in Teen Sous Chefs, it is for teens ages 12 to 18. We meet every second Wednesday at 4 p.m. up here in the kitchen. And then I post the video of our meeting the following month on the second Tuesday. So either in person or online, we hope you can join us and see what kind of fun we have in Teen Sous Chefs. And as usual, a big thank you to Sue and the Sous Chefs for joining us this week. And would you like a little sneak peek at what we're making at our next Teen Sous Chefs? So our next one is actually tomorrow. I'm posting this video on a Tuesday and our next one is on the Wednesday. So Sue is going to teach us how to turn this into this. So we're making a watermelon fruit basket and we're going to be filling it with little melon balls made of watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew, and we're also going to be adding some blueberries and strawberries.
Thank you so much. Okay, and she can edit it, so if we do anything goofy, she can take it out.
All right, rolling.
Hi guys, welcome to Sous Chefs in June. We are so excited today. We're doing a picnic outside and we're going to make homemade lemonade and have some healthy snacks. Miss Gina has been so kind to get all of those groceries for us through the Alexander Hamilton Memorial Free Library. And at Sous Chefs, we are grateful to the library, not only for our kitchen that we get to use, but also because of the support that they give us in our mission to help teens understand nutrition and to learn some basic skills in the kitchen. The other person that really helps us a lot is the Beveled Edge Granite and Countertop in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. They are our sponsor, and that means they give us dollars for aprons and advertising and copy ink and all of these things that you need to run a business. So we are very grateful for them. They happen to do my kitchen in my house, and they are perfectionists, so you can trust them. And they're right up the road in Gettysburg, so they serve Waynesboro area. So thank you to our sponsor, the Beveled Edge. So today I have with me two new Sous Chefs, and I'm gonna let them introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm 20 years old.
I'm Newman and I'm 16 years old.
We are so excited to have these two with us today.
Welcome.
Yeah, and we also thank Miss Gina. She's our behind the scenes doing the filming right now, so we are appreciative for Miss Gina. So everybody has washed their hands, and we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is make our lemonade. Okay? So there's a couple of steps to that. We need to wash our fruit because, well, now wait a minute. We don't need to wash our fruit because we're just going to use the juice.
I always do because I'm afraid there'll be some creepy crawly on the outside of the skin and it'll get in, but that maybe that's just me being picky, but I always do.
Well, picky's good in the kitchen, so let's wash our fruit. We'll do that. We'll wash our fruit, and then someone is going to help put together water and sugar to make a simple syrup, and we're going to cook that. So who wants to wash something and who wants to cook something?
I'll do the water and the sugar.
Okay, you okay with washing fruit? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Hey Sue, would you mind just repeating about how you made the fruit wash mix in?
Oh, sure. So the fruit wash mix is about a gallon of water and then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And you can put lemon juice in as optional if you're eating, like for berries and things that have little nooks and crannies, because the lemon juice is really nice as an additional bacterial fungi. It kills that and gets the insects off there. But since we're only using the inside of the fruit, I thought we could get away with just vinegar in our water today, because that'll kill any fungi or bacteria, and it'll also run off any, what'd you call them, Miss Gina? Creepy critters?
Creepy crawlies.
Creepy crawlers. Yeah. All right, Natalie, so let's do our measurements.
All right.
One thing that's a nice little trick when you're doing measuring is do your dry measurements first. because if you have a wet measuring cup, your dry stuff sticks. So in general, just do your dry measurements first. So we're going to measure out how much sugar do we have there?
1/3. Wait, 1/3/4.
Right?
Cup.
1 3/4.
1 3/4. Sorry, I'm not good at saying that. 1 3/4 cup white sugar.
1
I
3/4.
apologize. I didn't mean to mess that up.
You are okay. You can't mess up in the kitchen because if you burn it, we'll feed it to the dog. And
Okay, there you go.
And if you break it, we'll get another one.
There you
So
go.
just relax. You're fine here. Yeah.
But please don't break my lemon squeezer because my neighbor gave it to me.
It's beautiful.
Okay, I don't want to see you cry, Miss Gina.
Me neither. We don't want drama at SueChefs. All right, so we want a cup. See how that says 1 cup? Okay. Whoops. So we're gonna we're gonna wing it. If we put a cup and 3/4 of allulose in there, it's gonna taste so sweet because allulose is very, very sweet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust our recipe. We're gonna use, since it's just about 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4, we're gonna use a 1/2 cup of allulose and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And then that way we'll be sweet enough, I think. And if not, we can add some more sugar afterwards.
Sounds good.
Okay, so I just changed our plan.
All right.
That's okay.
Change of plans is always nice. Just make it unique, right?
Yep, that's it. So I'm going to ask you to measure a 1/2 cup of allulose and put it in this pan. And what I like to do is hold my cup over. That way if I make a spill, it goes in the pan. And then we'll do the sugar next. Hold on. Oh. Put her on high there, Newman. Give her some juice.
The red light means it's on now. Yep, and the gray dot is pointing toward high, so it's high.
You're right on it. Perfect. So somebody needs to stir. Newman, do you want to stir for a while since Natalie stirred?